Hello everyone, Rob Armitage from Team Armitage and Remax Capital Diamonds. I'm often asked, or almost always asked, Rob, what is the market like? And we're continuing to follow the same trend. We're simply moving towards, if we're not already in, a more balanced market. That means it's not favoring one side over another. It's simply in balance. Average price point is holding the same. We're sitting around 575. That's very close, but down slightly from last year. And frankly, our stats are mirroring where they were this time last year. The one big change is inventory. We absolutely have more inventory on the market, meaning more homes to purchase. Same amount of buyers likely, but more inventory there. If this continues, we're going to see things moving more in the buyer's favor. What does it mean on the listing side or the selling side of things? We're still going to get you sold. We simply have to price you accurately. Overpriced listings are sitting on the market with nothing happening. Underpriced listings are typically getting multiples. We want to underlist it slightly, but not to a ridiculous degree because we're just not in that market. List it accurately, have a realistic expectation, and you're going to get sold. On the buying side of things, this is the best market you've seen to buy in some time. Again, it comes to what is on the market. There's simply more options for you. Still competitive. You're still very likely to compete for a property, but you can be conditional and still get accepted. You can do some due diligence and still be competitive. It's just not the crazy that we were used to. So in a nutshell, still a healthy market. If you have a home you want to sell, we can get it sold. We simply have to price it accurately. On the buying side, it's a great time to buy. You've got options in front of you. Just again, bear in mind, quality listings, those listings that stand out and are priced well, they're likely going to see multiple offers, but a conditional offer is still competitive. And we're seeing some kind of fall through the cracks. For whatever reason, you get a bit of a surplus in a certain week. Some are going to get a strong response. Some kind of get passed over or missed. So as a buyer, you can still see opportunities in this market. I think this trend will continue. This is what we anticipate. Prices will stay relatively flat through the rest of the year. Depending on where the rates go, that'll have some impact. But for right now, we're basically flat. We're in a balanced market. Still opportunities on both sides. Thank you. Hope to hear from you soon.